Welcome to the channel. Today, we're showcasing the 5 best Duluth Forge natural gas fireplaces, ventless and dual fuel, 2026. Duluth Forge is a trusted name in heating solutions, offering fireplaces that combine efficiency, style, and flexibility. With ventless technology, these models eliminate the need for a chimney, making installation simple and cost-effective. Dual fuel capability allows you to choose between natural gas or liquid propane, ensuring adaptability for any home. Each fireplace delivers powerful heat output, realistic flame effects, and user-friendly controls. Whether you prefer a mantle design to enhance your decor or an insert for seamless integration, Duluth Forge provides reliable warmth and timeless style. Number 1. Duluth Forge Ventless 26,000 BTU Insert. The Duluth Forge Ventless 26,000 BTU insert is a compact yet efficient heating solution designed to warm up to 1,350 square feet. Its dual fuel capability allows operation with either natural gas or liquid propane, giving homeowners flexibility based on availability. The included remote control makes adjusting heat levels simple, while the no-clearance design ensures easy installation without requiring a chimney. Finished in sleek black, it blends seamlessly with modern or traditional interiors. Built for reliability, this insert delivers consistent warmth and realistic flames, making it ideal for medium-sized living spaces. Durable construction and user-friendly controls make it a practical choice for those seeking dependable performance and comfort. Number 2. Duluth Forge Dual Fuel Ventless Insert. The Duluth Forge Dual Fuel Ventless Insert with 6 fire logs offers realistic flame effects and powerful heating performance. Producing 32,000 BTUs, it warms spaces up to 1,500 square feet, making it suitable for larger rooms. Dual fuel technology allows you to choose between natural gas or propane, while the included remote control ensures effortless operation. Its ventless design eliminates the need for a chimney, simplifying installation and reducing costs. Compact yet stylish, the black finish complements a wide range of decors. This insert combines efficiency, convenience, and aesthetic appeal, ensuring your home stays cozy and inviting throughout the colder months. It's a dependable option for homeowners seeking both warmth and visual charm. Number 3. Duluth Forge Dual Fuel Ventless Fireplace with Mantle. The Duluth Forge Dual Fuel Ventless Fireplace with Mantle in auburn cherry finish adds elegance and warmth to any living space. Delivering 32,000 BTUs, it heats up to 1,500 square feet with ease. The T-stack control ensures consistent temperature management, while the dual fuel system offers flexibility between natural gas and propane. Its rich auburn cherry mantle design enhances traditional interiors, making it both a functional heater and a decorative centerpiece. Easy to install and operate, this fireplace is perfect for homeowners seeking style and performance. Durable construction and realistic flame effects make it a reliable choice for those who value comfort and classic design. Number 4. Duluth Forge Dual Fuel Ventless Insert. The Duluth Forge Dual Fuel Ventless Insert with 9 fire logs creates a realistic and inviting flame display. With 32,000 BTUs of heating power, it warms up to 1,500 square feet, making it suitable for spacious living areas. Dual fuel capability allows operation with natural gas or propane, while the included remote control ensures effortless adjustments. Its ventless design simplifies installation, eliminating the need for a chimney. Finished in sleek black, it blends seamlessly with modern or traditional decor. Combining efficiency, convenience, and visual appeal, this insert is a dependable solution for homeowners seeking reliable warmth and ambience. Built to last, it's a smart investment for year-round comfort. Number 5. Duluth Forge Dual Fuel Ventless Fireplace with Mantle. The Duluth Forge Dual Fuel Ventless Fireplace with Mantle in antique white finish offers both charm and functionality. Producing 32,000 BTUs, it heats up to 1,500 square feet, making it ideal for family rooms or large living spaces. The T-stack control ensures consistent comfort, while dual fuel technology provides flexibility between natural gas and propane. Its antique white mantle design adds a touch of sophistication, serving as both a heater and a decorative centerpiece. Easy to install and operate, this fireplace combines efficiency, style, and reliability. With realistic flame effects and durable construction, it's a standout choice for homeowners who value elegance and dependable warmth. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.